Well, it sounds really easy what I'm going to tell you, but I think, in my opinion, it's necessary to create trust and openness as a board member in the boardroom as well, but also for managers, team leaders, employees, etc. So that's really one sentence: create trust and openness, right? But I think we need to create an environment that employees, even if it's a manager or a board member, can say what they say and can ask what they ask, dare to be critical, but remember, with the best intentions. And I'm almost 52, and I never seen an employee who is sabotaging things. They all have the best intentions to do their job, and they find creative ways to do it the best ways during the circumstances that they have, but all with the best intentions. And I think it takes courage for board members as well to listen to them and to understand that employees have the best intentions with the customers, with the organizations, with themselves, with the colleagues, to make the world a bit better.